Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by ensuring authority. You must be the owner or have explicit permission. Once confirmed, gather proof of purchase, the device serial or IMEI, and the linked account email. These are required by official support. Make sure the device is charged above 50% and connected to Wi-Fi or a computer so support tools or recovery options can run. Don't attempt shortcuts. Instead, focus on documentation and connectivity, because legitimate recovery relies on verified ownership and stable connections. Next, use the manufacturer or platform's official recovery channels rather than third-party hacks. Sign into the account recovery portal tied to the device. If you cannot, contact official support and present purchase proof and the device identifier. They will run identity checks and provide authenticated recovery or service options. Once done, follow their instructions exactly. This may include remote authenticated resets, in-store service, or verified device handover. These methods protect your data and comply with legal requirements. Finally, complete only the authorized reset or repair workflow provided by support. They'll guide you through authenticated resets or device servicing. Once access is restored, re-establish the account and restore data from verified backups so nothing important is lost. If the process stalls or is denied, escalate with the serial number, purchase receipt, and government ID as requested. This is the key troubleshooting step. Always avoid unofficial bypass attempts, because those can void warranties, risk data loss, and may be illegal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.